3 years old. Imagine you're 3 years old and you're in preschool and a teacher's trying to teach you empathy. And she says to you, here's my jersey coming out, says, how you doing? She says to you, tell him how he makes you feel when he doesn't share. And then another time, tell her how she made you feel when she said those words to you. And the programming that we get programmed, because all we are just supercomputers, is other people can make me feel a certain way. And then years go by and you're constantly trained by TV and by movies. He made me upset. She made me mad. Try on, it never happened. Try on, and this is where your voice is going to start. No. Stay a victim, stay a victim, stay a victim. Don't be powerful, stay a victim, stay a victim. Try on, no one has ever said mean things to you. Try on, no one has ever mentally bullied you. Now I'm going to pause so your voice in your head, you know, blah, 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 blah. See, what happens is you're taught that other people can make you feel a certain way. You're taught that your kids can push your buttons. How many of you have kids that push your buttons? Show me your buttons. Not your belly button, that doesn't count. You don't have buttons. You create buttons for the kids to push, and then you're surprised when they push them.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.